In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a Google Ads campaign. Managing your online advertising can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to Google Ads. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident pausing any of your active campaigns. Whether you're looking to pause your campaign temporarily or bring it to a full stop, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. First things first, let's head over to the Google Ads interface. You can do this by searching for Google Ads in your preferred search engine or typing ads.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, it's crucial to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one associated with your Google Ads campaigns. If it's your first time or if it's been a while, Google will typically prompt you to sign in using your Google account details. Now that you're in, you're going to see a panel of options on your screen. Look for the one labeled Overview. This is essentially your dashboard, where you can access a wide array of features pertaining to your Google Ads account. Clicking here gives you a broad view of your current advertising status, including active campaigns, performance metrics, and more. It's the perfect starting point. Next, it's time to get more specific. On the left-hand side, or within the Overview dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Campaigns. Click on it. This is where all your individual advertising campaigns are listed. Each campaign you've ever created or run will appear here, so it might be a good idea to familiarize yourself with the names or numbers you've assigned to each campaign for easier navigation. After locating the campaign section, it's essential to narrow down your search further. Locate and click on the Ads tab within your selected campaign. Here you'll see all the ads associated with that particular campaign. These could range in format from text and image ads to video or interactive content depending on what you've set up. Now comes the crucial part. Within the ads section, you'll need to carefully select the ads you wish to stop. This step requires precision because halting the wrong ad could impact your campaign's effectiveness or reach. Take your time to ensure you're selecting precisely what you intend to pause or stop. You might find it helpful to review the names or content of each ad to confirm your selection. Once you've made your selections, look for the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will reveal several choices, but your focus should be on locating the Pause command. Pausing your ad is a straightforward way to stop it from running without permanently deleting it or its data from your account. This is particularly useful if you plan to reactivate the ad later or analyze its performance data for insights. Congratulations, you've successfully paused your ad. This action effectively stops your selected Google Ads campaign, preventing it from accruing further charges and from being shown to new audiences. Remember, paused campaigns can always be resumed at a later date, giving you the flexibility to reactivate them whenever you're ready or when circumstances change. A few final tips before we wrap up. Always double check the ads and campaigns you're pausing to avoid unintentional stops that could impact your marketing goals. Additionally, regularly review your Google Ads account to monitor the status of your campaigns, especially if you manage multiple campaigns simultaneously. Keeping a close eye on your account ensures that you stay on top of your advertising efforts and allows you to make informed decisions about starting, pausing, or adjusting campaigns. That's it for our guide on how to stop a Google Ads campaign. I hope this tutorial was helpful and has empowered you to manage your advertisements with confidence. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your online presence through effective advertising, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.